Medical terminology is fun. Today we're going to take a look at the cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system consists of the heart and two networks of blood vessels known as arteries and veins. And there are three layers within the heart. The first layer, the endocardium, is a membrane which lines the inside of the heart. The second layer, the myocardium, is the heart's muscle, which actually pumps over 2,000 gallons of blood daily to every cell in our body, enabling us to sustain life. And finally, the third layer is the epicardium. The epicardium is the outer layer of the heart, which is surrounded by a protective sac known as the pericardium. Arteries contain erythrocytes, or red blood cells, which carry oxygen and sugar and hormones to every cell in our body each heartbeat. The cardiovascular system includes veins, which also contain red blood cells, or erythrocytes, which carry harmful carbon dioxide from our cells to our lungs, where the carbon dioxide is exhaled from our body. There are several terms or building blocks that are essential to learn terminology associated with the cardiovascular system. Let's take a look at the root vaso or vasculo. They pertain to our blood vessels. The root word arterio pertains to our arteries. The root words veno and flebo both pertain to veins. The prefix endo means inside or within. The prefix myo means muscle. The prefix epi means above or outer, typically a layer surrounding a structure or organ. The prefix peri pertains to around or surrounding. And finally, the prefix tachy means fast. Very, very, very fast. Now we're going to build some terms associated with the cardiovascular system. When we take the Latin root word cardio, meaning heart, and add the suffix megaly, meaning abnormally enlarged, our new word is cardiomegaly, an abnormally enlarged heart. Next, we'll take the prefix tachy, meaning fast, and put that in front of the word cardia, and it forms a new word, tachycardia, an abnormally fast-beating heart. Finally, the root word arterio means artery. Let's put the suffix stenosis, meaning narrowing of, at the end of artery, and our new word is arteriostenosis, a narrowing of the arteries. The root word flebo means veins. The suffix ectomy pertains to the removal of. So a phlebectomy is the removal of a vein. The Latin root word endo means inside or within. Let's combine that with the suffix carditis, which means inflammation of the heart, and we have a whole new word, endocarditis, meaning inflammation of the endocardium. Finally, let's look at the root word anti, meaning against. And let's put that in front of the suffix hypertensive, which means high blood pressure. Now we've formed a new word, antihypertensive, which is an agent that lowers high blood pressure, typically a medication. In summary, not to ruin your Valentine's Day forever, but the phrase, "I love you with all my heart," actually means, "I love you with all my pump." Thank you.